Hello, good evening friends. Today let us try to understand the problem based on the test which we conducted in the evening. The very first question what they are saying, the physical and chemical that is modern periodic law is modern periodic law. Firstly you should know that is modern periodic law is the based on the what is the atomic number, or the you can say that is based on the electronic configuration, while the Mendeleev periodic law we know very well that is based on the atomic masses. So let us see what are the option has been given. The student first option is they were given, that is physical and chemical properties of the elements are periodic function of their atomic numbers. The very first option is itself correct, student, but you can read out this one, option number 2. If you are reading the option number 2, they are saying the physical and chemical properties of the element depend upon the energy of electron. This is very wrong, student. That is no law is given that is which is depending on the energy of the electron, because all the next third option, the physical and chemical properties of elements depends upon atomic weight. That is the student option number 3rd is for the Mendeleev periodic table. So option number 3rd is wrong. So fourth option is none of this. That is also wrong, student. So correct option is option number 1. Now so this is correct number option is option number 1. Now let us move and go for the second number, student. When you are going for the question number 2nd, let us see what the second number they are saying, that is which of the following statement about the modern periodic table is incorrect. So they are saying the P block has 6 column because a maximum of 6 electron can occupy all the orbital in the P subcell. That is very correct, student. That is group number 13 to group number 18. There are the 6 group is there in the P block. Now option number B you check, student. That is they are asking the wrong statement. Incorrect. So that is the D block element has 8 column. No, student, D block element has 10 columns. So that is because a maximum 8 electron, not maximum 8 electron can occupy. That is totally wrong, student. Maximum 10 electron can be occupied in the D orbital. So that is the wrong statement is option number B. Here for second question wrong option is B. Now third option, let us read out third option. Each block contain a number of columns equal to the number of electrons that can occupy the subcell. That is okay. That third is correct, student. Like that P orbital occupy the 6 electrons, so 6 group is there. D orbital occupy, that is the 10 electrons, so D 10 group is there. S orbital can occupy 2 electrons, so that is 2 group is there. So that is third is also correct. Now go for the fourth option. The block indicate the value of azimuthal quantum number of the last subcell, which receive the electron. Student, this is the question number, option number 4 we will study in the atomic number. Azimuthal quantum number is the orbital. Azimuthal quantum number is orbital. Suppose S orbital means 2 electrons. So that is P orbital means 6 electrons. So 6 group. D orbital means 10 electron. So that is 10 group. So what they are saying, option number 4, the block indicate the value of azimuthal quantum number for the last subcell which receive the electron. That is correct. Whatever the P block, I also explain, student, what are the P block element. P block elements are those elements in which last electrons are entering. D block means D block elements are those elements in which last electron is entering into D orbital. And S block element means those element in which last electron entering into S orbital. F block element, the element in which last electron is entering into F orbital, that is F block element. So option number, when you are going option number 2 is wrong, student. The D block has 8 column. No, D block has 10 column from the group 3 to group number 12. So that is the correct. Our option will be, answer will be the option number 2. Now let us move off the question number 3rd, student. What the question number 3rd is saying, student, if you see, student, the question number 3rd is mentioned here. It is little blurred, student. You will be able to try to understand what is given. I will try to read out the question. The element which generally exhibit multiple oxidation state whose ions are usually colored. A multiple oxidation state, student, which will exhibit those we are having the much number of electron. Now D orbital is having 10 electron, student, in the D orbital. So what it will do, student, it can remove the 1 electron, 2 electron, 3 electron, 4 electron, 5 electron. So oxidation number will be, that is what it will be, more than 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. So this is what that is they are known as what the D block element, also known as transition element. So our correct answer will be, student, that is option number 2. The element which generally exhibit multiple oxidation state whose ions are usually colored, that is transition element. Now the question number 4 you go, student. Let us see the question number 4. What is mentioned in the question number 4, student? The IUPAC name of elements having atomic number 108. In the Greek word, student, 1 is represented by un, 0 is nil, and 8 means oct. And these are the metal, DF block elements are metal. So after 100, all are metal. So we will use the word IUM. So for 1, it will be un. So that is okay. All the option is there. 1 un is there, 1, 2, that is. Then 0 is there, that is nil. So un, nil, and oct. For 8, oct. Un, nil, octium. So option number correct one is, student, that is 1. Okay, correct option is option number 1. Now go student. Question number 5. So let us read out the question number 5. Which of the following is a representative element? Abhi student, when you are going for the representative element, they are said that is period third element are known as representative element, and which is belongs to period number 3rd, student. That is, if you go, that is, here is the correct option will be according to the given option. The best option will be the selenium, Sr. No, this is strontium. Sr is strontium. Sr will be your representative element compared to the D block elements are not the representative element. Only P block and S block elements are known as representative element. Other D block elements, F block element are known as the non-representative elements. So which one is the P block and S block element? If you see zinc, copper and Fe, they all are the D block element. But strontium is what, student? S block element of group 2. So that is the representative element will be, the correct option will be the option number 2. Now let us move, student, and let us read the question number 6. What is question number 6, student? If you are going to read out, question number 6. So let us read out the question number 6, student. What is question number 6? Here you read. So if you are reading the question number 6, when a neutral atom is converted into cation, okay. So cation, you know, student, in the cation, the number of proton is more and number of electron is less. When the electron gets lost, student, when electron gets lost, so what will happen, student? That is the cation will form. When the electron is removed, student, then the cation will form. Now, if you talk about the cation, student, the number of electron will be less compared to the number of proton. So if you are talking about the option number 6, student, when neutral atom is converted into cation, cation means number of electron is less, number of proton. So attraction force will be high, student, because proton will attract the electron more strongly because number of electron is less. So effective nuclear charge will be high. So if you see, that is more attraction. So more attraction means size will, what, student? Size will decrease. So correct option will be option number 4. Now let us read out the question number 7, student. On the basis of the following, which one is correct? Ionic radius of metal is same as atomic radius. And ionic radius of C, student. How to understand this question? This is very easy, but some student has done the mistake for this one. And why they did the mistake, student? That is, they are not able to. Metals are what, student? If you talk about metal, those elements which remove the electron, okay, which release the electron easily, they are the metal. Now see, student, if you talking about that is the metal will release the electron easily, that is what, whatever the element release the electron, that is metal. If anyone is ready to accept the electron, that is non-metal. So what they are saying, of the following, which is the correct? First, ionic radius of metal is same as atomic radius. No, atoms are cation, student. All the atoms are cation. Cations means number of electron is less. Number of electron is less, student. It means number of proton is more. So more attraction force, and more attraction force means size will be small. So let us see the option number 4. Ionic radius of metal same not possible, student. It will be less. The ionic radius of metal is greater. No. The atomic radius of non-metal is more than the ionic. No, non-metal is always less. The ionic radius of metal is less than its atomic radius. So correct option will be option number 4. The correct answer will be option number 4. Now let us move the student option number 5. Which of the following N3 minus O2 minus F minus is largest size? Student, greater the negative charge on the atoms, greater will be size. So see student, here is 3 negative charge, they all are the isoelectronic. Here is negative charge, here is negative, all are negative charge. But when the negative charge is there, student, we have to check which one have the highest negative charge. So nitrogen is having -3. So correct answer will be, student, that is option number, student, option number 3 will be the our correct answer. Now student, option number 1, that is N3. Option number 1, N3 is the correct answer. Okay, now student, let us go and move for the question number 9. Which of the following is not correct for isoelectronic? Student, firstly you try to understand what is the isoelectronic. Iso means same, electronic means electron. Elements having same number of electrons are known as isoelectronic. Now let us see student, if you are going for this, which of the following is correct isoelectronic ion? They have the same number of electrons around their nuclei. That is very correct. They are asking not correct. So first is correct, same number. Higher the atomic number, higher will be the positive charge in the series of isoelectronic ions. Means higher atomic number of the proton will be high. There is no problem. Isoelectronics ion have same electric charge. Dear students, same electric charge, no. Isoelectronics, suppose N3 is there. In the last question we study, if you see, that is same charge is not there. They are isoelectronic, means 10 electron is there in all of them. But here charge is how much? In nitrogen 3 charge, oxygen 2 charge, fluorine 1 charge. So whatever the option third is, they isoelectronic have same electric charge. This is wrong, student. Same electric charge is not possible. So correct our option will be what? Option number 3 will be our answer. Which of the following is not correct for isoelectronic? That is, isoelectronic have same number of electric charge is wrong. Electric charge means charges will be different in case of isoelectronic. And fourth option, what? Isoelectronic series may have both positive and negative charge. That is no problem, student. Now let us move option number 10. The radii of F, F minus, O and O2 are in the order. Dear student, how to go? If you want to check, you can go with the left to right, student. So left to right, that is what is radii is? Radii is what is happening, student? Decreasing. Now I told you, if the higher the charge is high, high the negative charge, higher will be radii. So O2 and F minus, O2 will be highest radii, then F. Then left to right you go, student. Then what will come? Oxygen will come first and then fluorine will come. So that is O2 minus, then F minus, then oxygen and then fluorine. So our correct answer will be, student, that is O2 minus, then F minus, O2 minus, F minus, then oxygen and fluorine. So F minus, O2 minus will defined by the charges, how many charges are there. So O2 is 2 minus charge, means high size, and F minus, then O and F will be decided on moving left to right. So out of O and F, O will come first, then F will come. So O will be high size, then F, and O2 is more charges, negative charge. So O2 will be highest, then F minus, then oxygen and fluorine. So correct option will be option number 3. Now student, let us come with the question number 11. Question number 11, what they are saying is, student, which of the following is correct? Which of the following is correct? So there is ionic radius proportional to Z. No, student, that is more the Z effective, and smaller is the radii. Z effective means, student, that is more attraction force. So more attraction force means small radii. So if you talk about Z effective is high, so radii will be small. So if you talk about this one, here is not possible. This is option B is not possible. Z is absolutely not possible, because radii we go with the effective nuclear charge, Z effective. So first option is wrong, second is wrong. If you are talking about third, so ionic radii is inversely proportional to Z effective. That is correct. If radii increases, Z effective decreases. If Z effective increases, radii will be decreases. So inversely proportional. Fourth will be option. If you go fourth, student, if you are going for the fourth number, so what would be the fourth number? That is Z square. Z square never we use in the chemistry, student, for the ionic radii. Now let us go for the question number 12. Which ion has the largest radius? Okay, if you are going which ion has the largest radius, student, so they are the ionic species, student. They are the ionic. Here what they are saying, student, if you know the cation is having a smaller size, so fourth number option is excluded. Fourth number option is not possible. Now if you talk about the student, fluorine is one charge, it is also excluded because more the charge is larger the radii. Now this selenium and oxygen belonging to the same group, student. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium. So when you are moving down the group, ionic radii increases. Ionic radii increases. So which one will come? Oxygen, sulfur, selenium. So selenium will be high. So correct option will be the option number first, student. This is the all about the question number. This is up to 12 student. Now let us move for another video for the to explain the other problems. Thank you, students.